Good afternoon, Hamza Automates here, and today I've got one of the craziest tutorials for you on how to control your GoHighLevel account directly from your phone. And I don't mean like literally sign into Lead Connector and use their basic app. I mean give it instructions where Ask AI can actually take control of your GoHighLevel account and actually perform and do things while you're out and about. So you don't need to be on your computer at all anytime. So I'm going to show you exactly how we're going to do it. We're going to log in and use Ask AI. So Ask AI is one of the most powerful features that GoHighLevel has. And what I've done is I've created a way where I can SMS Ask AI, speak to it, and tell it to do things for me. So the way that we're going to do that is through a scheduled task, okay? So if you're not familiar with Ask AI, then I have a tutorial which you can watch and it'll basically explain how this works. But for this purpose, you can just follow along. So Ask AI should be enabled inside of your GoHighLevel account at the very top over here. Ask AI can basically do anything you need for your account using AI. Now, inside of scheduled tasks, I want you to create a new task over here, and let's call it phone control or something, right? Phone tasks. Now, the prompt over here, so this is a meticulous prompt that I spent, I don't know, a couple days writing at this point to make it as good as possible to actually do what I need from my phone. So what I'm going to do is I have this prompt over here. I'm going to just copy it. You get access to this as well. So if you are one of my affiliates, you get this for 100% free. I'll talk about that more near the end, but I give away everything to my affiliates because you guys are awesome. Now here inside of the prompt, what you can do is you can basically just write your phone number. So I'm going to put my number right there. And that's really all you have to do. Now, the current minimum setting we can set this to is every hour. Ideally, this becomes more frequent, but now think of it as a way to just send it tasks to do, and every hour it's going to complete them. So now this scheduled task has been created, okay? So basically, it's going to look for text messages from me every single hour. When it receives that text message, then it's going to action exactly what I told it to do. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to open up my messenger and I'm actually going to text it. Perhaps I was just at a networking event, right? And I spoke to someone and I want them to be a contact inside of my GoHighLevel. I can say create a contact called Jonathan. His email is jonathan@test.com. Add a note that I met him at a conferencing event that I'm at. All right. So I just texted that to my GoHighLevel number that I have inside of the sub account. Let me just send another one and say task. Tell me how many new leads we got today and how many are in North America. All right, another task sent. So just to show you that this message came in, I could go here to my contacts and you can see that this just came in right there. Okay, so I sent in these messages. Now what's going to happen is when an hour passes, Ask AI is going to look inside of that chat and then action those items. But for this example, I'm just going to click run now and we're going to show you exactly how this works. So now you can see the task is running at 6:04 p.m., which is the time right now. And then in just a second, when it actually progresses, I'm going to show you what the outcome of this is and how it actually does the work I want it to. Now, while we wait for this, really quick, what I want to tell you about is Ask AI, because this is a way for you to take control of your GoHighLevel account by giving it instructions in English to do things like create contacts, to send emails, SMSs, to create workflows, to create voice agents, all of that stuff. Here on this channel, I'm Hamza Automates. I specialize in GoHighLevel AI automations. So if that interests you, then you can subscribe below to get updates on more content just like this. And if you want access to this exact prompt, the one that I just copied and pasted here, they're available for free for all of my affiliates. You just have to use the link in the description below. It looks like this. You can start your 30-day free trial with me. You'll get invited to my free school community, which has all of my resources, my prompts, my templates, and all of that. If you're already a GoHighLevel user and you want an affiliate, someone to learn from that has actually done it, I've won all of their awards, but somebody who is very laser focused into teaching you about AI automations. Not these guys telling you to sell basic websites for $97 a month, but I'm talking about high ticket, high impact automations, then I might be your guy. Now, while we wait for this to finish, some other things you can do by texting it is you can capture a lead just like we did at a networking event. You can book appointments on the fly. You can ask how your business is doing. You can ask it to check your calendar. It can update the pipeline. It can send reminders. It can log meetings. You can send invoices while you're on the go. So a lot of examples here, and I'll make future videos about them. But now for this example, I believe that this is almost ready. So I'm going to refresh this and we can see how this actually did. So we're going to open it up and perfect. So this is the instructions that I just gave it. Now, what it did is that it went through everything. It created a contact called Jonathan, just like I said. It added the note. We're going to check that in a second. And it gave me an answer on how many leads came in today. I also got an SMS, which you can see, but I'm going to show you in just a second, on the completed tasks. So I could be out on my phone. I gave it a task. It did the tasks, and it reported back to me saying what tasks it did. So let's open up the conversations right here. And this is what we got right now. So if I come over here, this is what I texted it saying, this is what I need you to do, these tasks. And then here you can see this is what it did. So it completed the tasks, it made the contacts, and it let me know about how many leads I have. 2 from North America, 6 new leads in total that we got today. Now, if I go to the contact section, let's see if he actually made Jonathan. Perfect. Jonathan's been made just like I told him via SMS. I didn't do anything else. I just texted him on SMS and he actually made this. Let's go to the notes section. And then it wrote by itself, met at a conferencing event. So now what this means is that I can be out on my phone. I don't need to be logged into GoHighLevel. And I can say, hey, create me a sub account for so-and-so, or create this snapshot for this, or make me a voice agent, or literally do anything you can imagine. While you're out on the go, I have found a way to actually control your GoHighLevel account directly from your phone. Now, the only caveat is that it runs every hour, but you can just pile up a bunch of tasks and let it execute as it needs to do that accordingly. Now, we build this through Ask AI, one of the most powerful features GoHighLevel have ever made, and I'm super excited for how it's going to keep getting better. Now, if you want access to that prompt and all these explanations on how exactly it works, then you can join the Hamza Automates affiliate program by just using my link in the description. Start your free trial, become an affiliate of mine if you are on the fence. You can upgrade with my link to also get access to our community. We have a ridiculous amount of resources. So like if you want industry snapshots and templates, every industry you can imagine, I've got a template for them right over here. You can open it, you get snapshots, website prompts, anything like that. We also do calls as well. So you can come and get our voice training, our voice AI training boot camps. You can come ask me questions at our weekly Q&A. I've got so many resources inside of the classroom, snapshots, courses, everything you can imagine. So if you've been looking for an affiliate to help you with all of this, then I'm more than happy to be that guide for you. I've helped over 1,000 people start their own agencies. I've won all of GoHighLevel's awards for my time working with them, and I'm sure I can do the same for you. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Leave any comments down below if you have any questions.